This is the Contrast by Gerber. It's a medium-sized pocket knife with a dual-handle material. G-10 on one side for texture, with a stainless steel frame lock on the other. The knife will come in two choices, a partially serrated or full fine edge. The knife does have dual thumb studs. The knife action is really easy, nice to use. Let's take a closer look at the handle. It has a pocket clip, lanyard hole on the other side, the G10 side. Stainless steel bolster, G10, layered. We have a frame lock. On the spine, you can see some jimping on the handle that goes onto the blade. So overall, a very good looking knife. There's your look at the Gerber Contrast. For more information on this product, check us out online at rockynational.com or call us toll free at 1-800-705-2040.